IQST stock analysis and IQST stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to be breaking down my exact play with Iqstel stock. Yeah, like beforehand, even with the limited amount of data that I got, I was like, okay, I got 2 sell side predictions, then I got this third one, which, you know, was a little bit of a higher time frame. Mentioned if there's a double break, looking to take it down. And I'm here to tell you that this is like a risk-free opportunity that's still pumping, you know. It's definitely like, yeah, if it does go to like 12 bucks, then I guess I'm gonna look to take it further down. I mean, not look to take it further down, it's gonna be a break even. But yeah, other than that, like, what I'm not gonna be touching it. Like, now it's either break even or a win. Easy, it's risk-free. So if you want to learn how I make you 15K per month trading, sure, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. And even, I don't know if I have previous receipts here. Sure thing, I do 5. That's decent. Goodbye and enjoy.